Hands down, this has to be the most favorite character out of everybody at the city of Sacramento. This is Sheryl Patterson. She's the senior deputy city attorney. She's been a lawyer since December the 12th of 1983. And this picture here, taken from a clip, it's a still from a clip from a public meeting on April the 4th of 2019, typifies her attitude. It's my way or the highway. I don't care what you think. I was doing open records request, and she sent me a letter from the attorney's office accusing me of working for somebody and harassing the city by doing open records requests. I explained to her I wasn't working for anybody, that I was a cemeterian. I was really interested in what was going on there. And then I got involved with doing research on the Helvetia cemetery and where the bodies that were transferred to their city cemetery was located. And so I did an open records request, and nobody could find any documents. So I reached out to the two employees who would normally know where those are. And I'm permitted to do that by California law, and told me that the city was not going to do research for me just because I did an open records request. Now, this is Sheryl's MO. She wants to intimidate and abuse people and let them think that she is the last word in what happens. And lawyers for the city advise the city council, and they advise the department heads. As it turns out, doing other open records requests, Ms. Patterson does not want any volunteers out there at the cemetery. That's why she was part of the architectural team that drafted rules that created gag orders and tried to penalize people and told people, if you don't sign this agreement, you're not going to be a volunteer. And she got exactly what they wanted. The volunteers all quit. The volunteers stopped coming. The city got in there and cut the plants out, sprayed herbicide on some of them. I've got documents coming from family members who can attest to that. And so Sheryl Patterson needs to be put in charge of a splash pad or a swing set or maybe a ball field. She needs to be far, far away from anything having to do with volunteers in the cemetery. And that's the way I feel about that. If you've had a run-in with Sheryl Patterson, I'd love to talk to you about it.